guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the May little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the May 2026 little bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this rotation should be my friend's little girl, who is like 3.5 now, but she's still in a 2T clothing size with her little tiny self. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what she's going to be enjoying for this month. They're always down in their boxes, which you can store stuff in or recycle them, but they're made very well if you wanted to save them and store things in. Down inside, we do have their gorgeous little bee tissue paper. It wouldn't be the little bee box without it. And then you do have your monthly card right on top for mom to sit down and read. And it does say bloom, grow, and glow will be the theme for May. And then here is their thank you card. If you do get a box and you have social and you want to tag them, you might be featured on their website. So there's that. And then a sneak peek. Look at how cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. We'll start with that first. This is adorable. This is a really cute bag. Look at this. Ooh, and it has 2 magnetic closures. There's even a chain to have it a long chain. There's a little poof in there, and then it's just all opened. How freaking cute though. I don't know if she would want to hold it, you know, which way she would rather hold it, so I'll leave it inside for mom to decide. But let's put this back. It even has this little like cherry charm hanging. And yeah, on the tag, it says it has a retail value of $55 for this bag right here from Willow and Ruby. But that is so stinking cute. I think that is so cute. Okay, so item number 1, great purse. So now let's go with, ooh, it looks like we have 2 outfits this time. Oh my gosh. These shorts are super cute with Minnie Mouse, and she loves Minnie Mouse. She loves her Minnie Mouse. These are size 5. So if there's ever a different size than what you tell them, then their supplier told them that that specific outfit either ran higher or lower than normal sizes. So I'm sure the supplier said these run super small, so she went up in a size, and that's a great thing because she's always in control and knows what size to put into the boxes for the children. All you do is tell them the age and the clothing size that they're in. She'll take care of everything else. But look at how stinking cute these shorts are, and this shirt to match. Oh my gosh, the other one is Minnie Mouse too. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love that. It says grow with the flow with Minnie and Fargo. I don't know what that little cat's name is. I just know Minnie and Mickey. But that is super, super cute. And the saying on it goes with like the monthly theme. That's even really cute. So here we go with another, oh, look it. This one looks a little wide, but that's perfectly fine. She'll be able to wear it for a very long time then. But isn't that super cute? And then this one has like, oh, these are cute little shorts. These she'll be able to wear probably for a few years with her little self. So that is awesome. Oh my goodness. So here is outfit number 2. Oh, I cannot wait to see her in both of these outfits. And both of them have red, which would go with this purse. So that is super cute. Okay, so it looks like the rest of the items in here is for the mom. Normally there is 1 free gift in the box for the mom, so it's not just for the baby. The mom has a little surprise in there. It could be anything and everything under the sun, but there's always a item in there for the mom. This time we have 2 items in here for the mom. We have a set of exfoliating gloves just for you. It looks like 2 pair of green and pink. So there's some exfoliating gloves. And this is a daily planner, most important notes, to-do list, Monday through Sunday. So you have a little planner here that you can write down little things that you need to do on this memo pad, or use it to jot down anything. But these are the 2 gifts for the mom. So a quick recap, you have the mom is spoiled twice this month, and then the baby has 2 full outfits and a purse. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for this May box. Comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite item in here. What do you think of the clothes and the purse? Definitely let me know down below. If you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. If you want to go to the monthly box, you get it every month. You can cancel at any time. If you do the gold term, it's just month per month. Go as you want. $51.95 per box. The silver term is a 6-month lock-in at a lower rate of $45.95. And then the platinum is a full 12-month prepaid term, bringing your box price down to only $43 per box. And then with this one, again, you get to tell them the age and the clothing size that they are in. Whenever that changes, you just email them, let them know, bump them up to this size, bump them up to that size, and then they will go ahead and note that and tailor that to that box for when they make these boxes every month. Again, I absolutely love the way that they design them. I love how everything kind of goes with the seasons. It goes with the time of year. You're gonna have more, you know, like appropriate summertime clothes right now, and then as it gets cooler, they will end up being like more long sleeve, long pants, that kind of thing. But I love the way that she takes all of that into consideration and builds these boxes for all of the little ones. She also did write a book, which you can purchase on Amazon. That will be in the description box down below as well. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.